build web app with Google I Studio and then deploy it online. So this is the app that I built. Let me tap on it for you to see. And it is a shopping web app, okay, that allows you to browse through and then select an item and then place an order. Okay, so as you can see from here, I also have my buttons right here and it is all working perfectly fine. Okay, so let me try to add an item. So I'm simply going to tap on this item. And as you can see from here, it has showed the details of the item. And from here, I can simply come in and tap on add to cart. And from here, as you can see, it has been successfully added to the cart. So when I tap on add to cart, you see that I have the summary of the item and I can simply make payment. Okay, I can also come and tap it from the button right here. And I can also tap on the logo and it will bring me right here to the page. I also have the option to simply come and then select it from these categories. So let me tap on the fashion for you to see. And from here, you see that the app is working perfectly fine. I can select this one and I will see the details as well. Okay, so it is working perfectly fine. My web app is working perfectly fine on mobile. Okay, so as you can see from here. And one thing is that I built this complete web app inside Google I Studio. Okay, so when you come here to where you have my app, you see that this is the web app. So let me click on it for you to see, and it is working perfectly fine. So let me show it in a zoom, that is the full screen. And as you can see, inside Google I Studio, my web app is working perfectly fine. I was able to host it online on InstaPods, okay? And when I click on the visit site, as you can see from here, it is working on my live URL. I'm going to show you step by step how you can also build your own web app and then host it right on InstaPod just like this. It is just a one-click deployment. All that you have to do is simply go to Google and then from Google search, come and search for Google I Studio just like this and then hit enter. When it comes, come and select the official site of Google I Studio by clicking on it. It's going to bring you right here to the Google I Studio platform. All that you have to do is simply come here to the build and then come and click on new app. So when you click on new app, it will bring you right here where you can come and then build your web app. And then all that you have to do is simply come here and then come and then paste or write in your prompt to build the app. And from this video description, you are going to see that I have a link to this prompt. Just click on it. It's going to be right here. Okay, and then you see that the prompt start from here. Come and highlight the prompt. Come and then put the mouse on it. Right click on it and come and click on copy. After copying it, simply open Notepad on your PC and come and paste the prompt inside it just like this. And then come here to where you have the app name. Okay, all that you have to do is simply come and then highlight it and come and write your own app name just like this. After that, all that you have to do is simply come here to where we have the app description. Come and then highlight everything inside it and come and write your detailed app description, exactly how you want the app to be, the web app to be. After that, all that you have to do is simply highlight everything, put the mouse on it, right click on it and come and click on copy. Then come back to Google I Studio and come and paste in the prompt inside it just like this. So after pasting in the prompt, all that you have to do is to simply come here and then come and then click on the build. And Google I Studio is simply going to build your web app for you just like that. So as you can see, it has successfully built the app. And after building it, now we have to host it online. And to host it, simply come here to where we have the code and come and click on show code. And from here, you see that I have the export. Come and click on the down arrow and come and click on download as zip. So it is going to be downloaded. So as you can see, we have successfully downloaded our app in a zip folder. Okay, and when you come here to back to start, you see that from my app, when I click on it, okay, it is going to show from apps. You see that I have built a web app, a modern web app right inside Google I Studio. So now let's go and then host it. So all that you have to do is to simply host your zip file. Okay, it's as simple as that. I have a link to the InstaPods in the video description. Click on it, it's going to bring you right here. And then simply come here to where we have start free and come and click on it. So when I click on it over here, you have to come and then create an account. And to create an account, simply come here to sign up and come and click on it. So when I click on sign up over here, all that you have to do is to simply come and then put in your name, you put in your email address, you select a strong password, and then simply come and then click on create account. So after creating an account, they are going to send you a verification email, okay, that you have to come and then go and then confirm it from your email. So all that you have to do is simply go to your inbox, okay, you are going to find this email, come and then click on verify email. So when you click on it, you'll be verified just like this, and it will bring you right here to this option, okay, whereby you can simply come and then add your card and then get a credit. Okay, so when you come here to the bill and you click on it, and then from the bill and over here you have the option to come and then add payment. Simply come here to payment method and come and click on it, and over here you see that we don't have any payment method selected yet. Come and then click on the add. Okay, and you can come and fill your card details just like this, and after that simply come and then click on add payment method. So when you do that, you will be given a free $10 credit. Okay, come and then click on the pods, and then from here you are going to see that we have upload zip here. Come and then click on it. Okay, so when you click on it, over here you have the option to simply come and then drag your zip folder right here. Okay, so let me show you. All that you have to do is simply drag the zip folder that we downloaded and then leave it inside here just like this, and it is going to be uploaded just like this. And all that you have to do is that if you have an API, you can paste this right here, but my app does not come with an API, so I'm simply going to click on the continue. Okay, over here you have to come and then select a plan and then the name of your pod. Okay, so you can choose the exact name as your app just like this. Okay, and over here where you have the region, you can leave it at the default. They are going to pick the closest one for you. And the plan that we are going to go for is the cheapest one. We are going to go for $3 per month. Okay, it is the best. Okay, so simply select the $3 per month and then come and click on the deploy now. So that is it. It is automatically going to build and then host it for you. So as you can see from here, our site is running perfectly fine and it is live on this URL. That is the amazing part of InstaPods. Can come and then click on visit site, and that is it. Your web app is live on the live URL. This is awesome. So when you click on anything, you see that it is working perfectly fine. Okay, we didn't do anything. All we did was to just upload our zip file. And as you can see, everything is working perfectly fine. I can add things to get cut. And from the favorites, when I added it to the favorites, you see that it is showing from the favorites right here. So when I click on it, by simply clicking on it, you see that it will show just like this. Okay, let me close it. And then let me go back to the home, and you see that my web app is working perfectly fine. Okay, one thing is that it's live on this URL, so I can simply send it on mobile and then test it on mobile as well. So I'm going to highlight it, put the mouse on it, right click on it, simply come and click on copy, and I'm sending it right to my mobile phone and testing it on the phone. What I have to do is simply come here to the Chrome on phone, tap on it. Okay, and then from Google search, all that I have to do is simply come and then paste in the link. So I long press on it and then come and paste the link and hit on enter, and it is instantly going to open my web app on the mobile phone as well. And as you can see, it is working absolutely fine on the mobile phone. Okay, so when I scroll through, I have the option to come and then select any item and then add it to cart. So I'm simply going to show you. As you can see from here, my button is working perfectly fine. I'm going to show you by simply tapping on this item. Okay, and as you can see from here, it has displayed the item, and all the summary as well. Can come and then come and tap on add to cart, and from here you see that it has been added. So when I tap on it, it's going to show everything just like this. Okay, so it is working perfectly fine. My web app is also working perfectly fine. I can go back to the home page, and from here I can select the button. Also from here, the categories, can come and then select fitness, and as you can see, I have everything working perfectly fine. So this is actually how to build your web app. It's a great student and host it online. Like the video and then see you in my next video.